1 minus 6 gives us negative 5. And here 1 minus 5 gives us negative 4. And a negative times negative is positive, and negative 4 times negative 5 is equal to positive 20. But this answer is wrong because it doesn't follow the correct order of operation to do this calculation. What does it mean? Well, an order of operation is an order which we supposed to follow when we are dealing with equations, right? So this is equation, this is mathematical expression, and when we solve these kind of problems, we have to follow a specific order. So according to order of operation, PEMDAS, so here I just write it. So this is acronym for the order of operation. It is called PEMDAS. Every letter stands for each arithmetic. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stand for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. So according to this, first we have to solve parentheses, and then after we solve all the parentheses, only then we are allowed to move to the next arithmetic, which is exponent. And after we solve exponent, we move to multiplication, and then finally to addition and subtraction. So here is the first priority, the second priority, third priority, and fourth priority. So we have to do this in order. That is the thing. If we solve addition or subtraction before multiplication or division, that is wrong. So let's get back into our problem. Well, according to the rule, we have to solve the parentheses first, right? So inside the parentheses, we have 1 minus 6, which gives us negative 5. So here is negative 5. And now the problem becomes 1 minus 5 times negative 5, right? So this is what the problem looks like, and we have to solve the multiplication before the subtraction, because clearly in the rule it stated multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction, so that we have to do multiplication or division before addition or subtraction. So 5 times negative 5 is equal to negative 25. And now the problem becomes 1 minus negative 5, right? So I'm going to put this in parentheses to just eliminate confusion. So 1 minus negative 25. So we are going to simply add these two, right? So in case if you don't know, a negative minus a negative is just positive, right? So here the answer would become 26. So final answer to this question is 26.